Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. Did you know your body has 206 bones and more than half of them are just in your hands and feet? Here we go. The human skeletal system consists of bones, joints, and cartilage. It provides support, shape, protection, and movement to the body. There are the following components of the skeleton system. Number 1, bone. Number 2, cartilage. Number 3, tendons. Number 4, ligaments. Number 5, joints. Let's understand this step by step. Bone is defined as a hard and rigid connective tissue that forms the framework of the body, providing support, protection, and movement. Bones are mainly composed of calcium salts, for instance, calcium phosphate and calcium carbonate. Cartilage, a soft and flexible connective tissue found in joints, nose, and ear that reduces friction and allows smooth movement. Tendon, a strong fibrous tissue that connects muscle to bone and helps in movement. Ligament, a tough, elastic tissue that connects bone to bone and stabilizes joints. And joints are defined as the places where two or more bones meet. But the two major categories of skeletal system are, number 1, axial skeleton. This is the main axis of the body and includes the skull, head, vertebral column, backbone, and rib cage. Number 2, appendicular skeleton, limbs. This includes arms and hands, legs and feet, shoulder and pelvic girdle. Overall, the skeleton system is divided into 7 parts. For example, 1, skull bones and facial bones, 2, chest bones, 3, vertebral column, 4, arm bones, 5, hand bones, 6, leg bones, 7, feet bones. Let's understand these one by one. Category 1, skull bones. The skull bones are further divided into 2 major parts. Number 1, cranial bones, neurocranium, and number 2, facial bones. Cranial bones, or neurocranium, are the bones of the skull that enclose and protect the brain. In humans, there are 8 cranial bones in total.
Names and numbers of cranial bones. Frontal bone is 1 and it forms the forehead and the upper part of the eye sockets. Parietal bones are 2 and form the top and sides of the skull. Temporal bones are also 2 and located on the lower sides of the skull, near the ears. They house structures important for hearing and balance. Occipital bone is 1, and it forms the back and base of the skull. Sphenoid bone is 1, and it is a butterfly-shaped bone at the base of the skull, connects with many other cranial bones, and supports the brain. Ethmoid bone is 1, and it is a light, spongy bone between the eyes, contributes to the nasal cavity and the medial wall of the orbits. 2. Facial bones, viscerocranium, are the bones that form the structure of the face, support the sensory organs, and provide attachment for facial muscles. In humans, there are 14 facial bones in total. Names and numbers of facial bones. Nasal bones are 2 and form the bridge of the nose. Maxillae are 2 and form the upper jaw, part of the orbit, and the hard palate, hold the upper teeth. Zygomatic bones are 2 and commonly called cheekbones, form the prominence of the cheeks and part of the eye sockets. Palatine bones are 2 and form the posterior part of the hard palate and contribute to the nasal cavity. Lacrimal bones are 2. These are small bones in the medial wall of the orbit, associated with the tear lacrimal ducts. Inferior nasal conchae are 2, which are curved bones inside the nasal cavity, help in filtering, warming, and humidifying air. Vomer is 1, and it forms the lower part of the nasal septum, dividing the nasal cavity. Mandible is also 1. It is the lower jawbone, the only movable bone of the skull, essential for chewing and speaking. Category 2. Chest bones. 2. Thoracic cage, chest bones. The thoracic cage, commonly called the chest, is a bony framework that encloses and protects the heart and lungs and supports breathing. Components of the thoracic cage. Sternum is 1, and it is a flat bone located at the center of the chest, breastbone. It serves as an attachment point for the ribs. Ribs that are in 12 pairs and total 24, and these are curved bones forming the sides of the chest. Types of ribs. True ribs are 7 pairs, and they are directly attached to the sternum by costal cartilage. False ribs are 3 pairs, and indirectly attached to the sternum through the cartilage of the ribs above. Floating ribs are 2 pairs, and not attached to the sternum, only connected to the vertebral column.
Category 3. Vertebral column. Vertebral column, backbone. The vertebral column is a flexible, supportive structure that protects the spinal cord, maintains posture, and allows movement. It consists of 33 vertebrae, classified into 5 regions. Regions and number of vertebrae. Cervical vertebrae are 7, and they are located in the neck region. Thoracic vertebrae are 12, and they are located in the chest region. Lumbar vertebrae are 5, and they are located in the lower back. Sacral vertebrae are 5 bones fused into one, sacrum, located in the pelvic region. Connect the vertebral column to the pelvic girdle and provide stability. Coccygeal vertebrae are 4 bones fused into one, coccyx, located at the end of the vertebral column, tailbone. Provide attachment for muscles and ligaments. Do you know that what is pelvic girdle? It is made up of 2 hip bones or coxal bones. Each hip bone is formed by the fusion of 3 bones. 1. Ilium, the upper part. 2. Ischium, the lower posterior part. 3. Pubis, the lower anterior part. Category 4. Arms or forelimbs. Arm bones are mainly 3. Number 1. Humerus, that is located in the upper arm. It connects the shoulder to the elbow. Number 2. Radius, that is located in the forearm, lower arm. Found on the thumb side. It runs from the elbow to the wrist. Number 3. Ulna, that is also located in the forearm. Found on the little finger side. It runs parallel to the radius, from elbow to wrist. Category 5. Hand bones. Hand bones are classified as number 1, carpals or wrist bones. These are 8 in numbers. 1. Scaphoid. 2. Lunate. 3. Triquetrum. 4. Pisiform. 5. Trapezium. 6. Trapezoid. 7. Capitate. 8. Hamate. Number 2, metacarpals. These are 5 in numbers. Number 3, phalanges, or finger bones. These are 14 in numbers. Phalanges are small bones that are present in the fingers of the hand and the toes of the foot. Category 6, hind limbs or legs. Leg bones are classified as number 1, femur, that is, located in the upper leg, thigh. It connects the hip to the knee. It is the longest and strongest bone in the body. Number 2, patella, that is, located at the front of the knee, also called the kneecap. It protects the knee joint. Number 3, tibia, that is, located in the lower leg, found on the inner or medial side. It is the main weight-bearing bone, runs from knee to ankle. Number 4, fibula, that is, located in the lower leg, found on the outer or lateral side. It is thinner and supports the tibia. It also runs from knee to ankle. Let's summarize this in simple way. Tibia is inner, weight-bearing. Fibula is outer and provides support. Category 7, bones of feet. Feet bones. There are total 26 bones in a foot and are divided in 3 categories. Number 1, tarsals, which is further composed of 7 bones. 1, talus. 2, calcaneus. 3, navicular. 4, cuboid. 5, medial cuneiform. 6, intermediate cuneiform. 7, lateral cuneiform. Number 2, metatarsals. They are total 5. And number 3, phalanges. They are total 14. Like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot.